Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Three of Spheres, Death, and Seven of Moons. So in your circumstances, guys, Aries, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone working together, guys, maybe with the people you are with. You have clarity, you have understanding. So in your career situation, guys, or in your relationship, you are having a balanced relationship with the people around you, with the people you work with, your colleagues, your employees, your mentor, or in your personal life with your family or with this person you love. You have a beautiful relationship going, and they understand you, you understand them, and things are going in a positive way. You have a friendly nature, guys. You are really friendly and a helpful person, supportive, and you help them in every possible way, and that may be the reason people love to be with you. They love your company, and your reputation is growing. They see you as a very good person, as a very honest soul, someone really, what to say, really beautiful person to be with in character, guys. So they see you that way, and they see you as a supportive, friendly person, kind and compassionate. And today, maybe in your relationship, Aries, you are having certain dreams, expectations about this person you love. You have some plans for your future together. Maybe you were making some plans with this person. But though you have your dreams, or though you have a perfect plan working, but things are going in a different way, guys. Maybe their reaction to whatever you say, maybe the plans, you would have voiced out your plans, but the way they are responding is telling you that your plan may not work out today, guys, Aries. So though you have made a lot of efforts, it may be simply the dreams of your mind, and it may not happen in reality, maybe for some of you. So your plans are just going to disappear, maybe for some of you. It may not work out, guys, though it is perfect, and though you have made a lot of efforts. For some of you it may work out, guys, but for some of you, I see a great transformation coming in your life, in your relationship. Nothing will be the same like before. You are seeing things with a better clarity today. So what your intentions are, and what is this person's intentions, and you will truly feel in your heart of hearts what will work out for you, and what is the truth, what is your motive, and you will have a clear understanding what you want to achieve for yourself, and that is going to give you that confidence to face these difficult circumstances. So maybe there may be some obstacles you are seeing and great changes happening in your life today, but it is something like a spiritual journey trying to what to say helping you to see things more clearly in a more um, positive way. So nothing is wrong today. You may see huge changes in your relationship, but it may be even painful, but nothing is wrong. It is going to take you towards the changes that needs to happen in your life, guys, and it may be the destiny unfolding in your life today, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Papas in reverse. So an apt card, guys. Maybe you trusted this person, you expect certain things from them, but they have proved you wrong. So they are not up to your expectations, maybe, and you need to be careful with them, because they are they are someone who is listening to gossips and rumors, and they believe in gossips and rumors. That may be the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. So for your career situation, Aries, we have Six of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your career situation also, guys, you may be seeing some delays, some suspensions. People may be jealous of you, and they are jealous because you are doing things in a much better way than them, guys. So that may be the reason for their jealousy, and they are trying to create a bad situation for you. So if you are making some important choices in your career situation, Aries, you need to be careful. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do, which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today. and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation, it may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and what to say, our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day to day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So, when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day to day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So, we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So, whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So, with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.